In this video, we are going to talk about 10 ways to multiply your income in 2021. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to How to Make Money Top 10 Videos channel and ring the bell for our future updates. We all want to quadruple our 9-to-5 pay to live the life of our desires. A good investment that doubles your income is still sought. Many strategies allow you to quickly double your money. It is crucial to remember that time is not magical. Doubling money takes time. One must find a suitable choice or investment and commit to it for a set term. Compound interest and patience quadruple your earnings. The instrument that works for your friend may not work for you due to market, supply and demand, government regulations, inflation, and other factors. When money is tight, people look for ways to improve their finances. One option is to cut household spending. Budgets can only be cut so far. Food, shelter, transportation, and other basics cost money. Alternatively, one can look for ways to multiply one's income. Number 10. Take part in clinical research studies. Do you enjoy trying new things? Clinical research projects provide this chance. The good news is you're not doing it for free. The studies are also risk-free and require no prior experience. You can pick one that suits you, sick or well. Depending on the study, you can make a few dollars. More studies mean more money. You have more money when you add these. You should only consider twice about taking part in a study. Consider how it will affect your health. Are you in peak physical condition? If the chances favor you, go for it. Consider it. It's a lifestyle. You've long wished to multiply your money. Probably you tried, failed, and gave up. Excellent things in life require commitment and patience. Don't think the wealthy have it all. It takes little money to enhance your financial status. Use the tips you've learned here. You'll discover that a better life was always waiting for you, you only needed to be reminded. You can use your talents and ability to create income to your advantage. Be proactive in improving your financial status and identifying your weak points. Number 9. Spend within your means. It should be obvious, but it isn't. Many people blindly ignore the dangers of buying beyond their means. So what? Debt. A budget may seem like a solution, but it only works if you keep to it. That's the tricky part. If you get a raise, it's all for a luxury hotel or shopping. The best way to treat yourself is to restrain yourself. Take what you can get. The more you can save, the better. You want your cash to increase. Make the required preparations. First, shred your cards. Avoid going to the mall or eating out until you regain control. Second, trust yourself. Believe in your ability to quit overspending. If you have to, say it quietly to yourself. When you feel like giving up, remember your former victories. Third, master the power of no. You can't hide from all the luxuries money can purchase. But you can adapt. Obey your body and thoughts. Say no and walk away when something catches your eye. It won't be easy at first, but practice makes perfect. Repetition makes perfect. Number 8. Prepare for your future. Finally, after you've taken care of your other obligations, you can begin saving. Investing is a fantastic strategy to expand your wealth and capital. You can start investing in a variety of ways. If you are an experienced investor, you could invest in stocks on your own. Another option is to invest in real estate, but that is a very separate topic. The key is that once you reach this stage of capital multiplication, you'll have a lot of options. Number 7. Open a savings account. Money multiplication necessitates a significant amount of saving. You have a tiny possibility of raising your cash if you don't have a savings account. Some people keep their savings and spending accounts in the same place. The temptation to overspend is one of the drawbacks of having a single account for two purposes. You may be cautious about how you spend your money, but mistakes do occur. The greatest thing you can do is set up a separate account for your money. If you have a job, consider opening an account that allows you to leave your cash at work. This is an excellent method for keeping your hands away from your stockpile. Number 6. Focus on your career. Concentrate on your work in order to raise your profits and financial status. Consider any additional work-related training. You might also get a promotion or raise if you enhance your work performance. Striving to be the best at what you do always results in promotions and raises. Strive to improve on a regular basis so that you can become a great asset to the firm where you work. To progress your career and earn more money, you may need to change careers or work for a different firm. Just make sure you're having a good time doing whatever it is you're doing. When you enjoy your job, you are more likely to work harder, which may lead to a greater compensation. Number 5. Pay off all the debts. If you want to quadruple your income, paying off your debt is an excellent method to get there. You can put your money to better use now that you have less debt, such as saving to expand your capital. Avoid frequent errors and devise a strategy for paying off the debt as rapidly as feasible. One tool for dealing with debt is the debt snowball. Using this form, you simply pay the minimums on all loans except the smallest balance. You'll put as much money as you can into the loan and pay it off as quickly as you can. Restart the process until the smallest debt is paid off. Since you've already paid off one obligation, you should be able to make a larger contribution to the next smallest debt. You may put your money to work for you in a variety of ways once you've gotten your debt under control. Number 4. Stock market. People have always received a high rate of return on their stock market investments. Over the last decade, the stock market has given a 15% return. Investing in large-cap stocks or well-established corporations will allow you to double your money in 5 to 7 years. However, it is critical to consider the fundamental and technological components of the stock market before making investments and lowering the risk of losing money. One can gain from capital appreciation, i.e., returns on capital, or dividend income by investing in shares, i.e., income from dividends. Making money in the stock market by investing in shares listed on stock exchanges like the BSE or NSE may appear simple to some. Number 3. Educate yourself. You will be able to earn more money if you continue your studies. Now pay attention to what I'm doing. This does not imply that you must buy a new bag and return to school. While this is one option, there are other methods to educate yourself. A friend, lover, or family member, for example, could teach you useful skills. And then put those abilities to good use by starting your own business and making more money. You can also acquire a better job if you have additional skills and education. Number 2. Create an emergency fund for yourself. Another way to enhance your assets is to build up an emergency fund. On the surface, it may not appear to be a strategy to create extra money, but it can be. Putting money aside for unexpected expenses will assist you avoid utilizing your credit card as a costly option. Because of the high interest rates on credit cards, you can pay more money. By adding another bill to your monthly payment plan, it may compound whatever financial issues you may be having. You may change that by putting aside a little money each month and establishing an emergency fund. By guaranteeing that the money is there when you need it, it will assist you completely eliminate interest costs. All you'd have to do is add fresh assets to your emergency fund. If you do it gradually over time, there are no fines or interest to consider. Number 1. Open a checking account that bears interest. One strategy to quadruple your income is to open an interest-bearing checking account. Many people, however, ignore this expenditure if they do not have a large sum of money on hand. This is the case because many banks require a significant amount to open an interest-bearing checking account. You can earn 0.85% interest on your investments if you have a balance of $2,500 or more. Earning interest on your savings account is good, but earning interest on the money you use to pay your daily expenditures is even better. You'll get a percentage of your transactions back, which means you'll be able to pay off your monthly fee with money from your bank account, which will earn interest. I hope you enjoyed our video. Please let us know in the comments area below. Thank you for being with us. Please like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell before leaving. Thank you for watching How to Make Money Top 10 video channel.